Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About 4x, we can put into x plus 3x. This one we can do about factorization, and you got about x multiplied by x plus 1. Number 3, we can do another factorization. S plus 1 and S plus 1, we can do another factorization. Now, we need to simplify S plus 3 on numerator and denominator. And now we can put negative number 3 going here. And we got about negative number 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. If we look carefully about this one, this is about identity. And that is about x minus 1 to the power of 2. About this one, I can put into 2x minus x. This one we can do about factorization by x. This one we can do another factorization by negative number 1. And now we can do another factorization by x plus 2. Now, we simplify x minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Now, if we put number 1 go in here, you got about 0. So, we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So, on the left, if I put number 1 go in here, you got about 1 plus 2. You got positive number 3. So, this is about positive. The limit on the left, so the value of s is smaller than number 1. So this one you got about negative. So positive divided by negative, you got about negative. If we put number 1 go in here, you got about 0. So the number divided by the 0, you got about infinity. So you got about infinity in here. Similar for this one, this is about positive infinity. Because the value of s is greater than number 1, that's why you got about positive in here. This one you got about positive, that's why you got about positive. The number divided by 0, you got about infinity. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.